case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
The Supreme Court of the United States took on an intriguing legal battle in 2001, where corporate employees are in question under the Racketeer Influenced and Corrupt Organizations Act, RICO. In the case of Cedric Kushner Promotions, Limited v. King, the boxing match promoting corporation entered the legal ring accusing Don King, the sole shareholder and president of Don King Productions, of conducting the corporation's affairs in a pattern of illegal activities under RICO. At appeal, the Supreme Court was tasked to interpret the complex RICO law, which demands two distinctive identities involved in criminal activities: a person and an enterprise. The issue under spotlight circled back to whether a sole corporate owner had any distinction from the corporation itself, in the light of illegal activities conducted within the spectrum of their authority, making its way up from the lower courts who had previously dismissed the complaint. The Supreme Court seized the opportunity to provide clarity. The legal distinction lies in the idea that a corporate employee, even if the sole owner of the business, can indeed be considered as a person under RICO, and thus held accountable for RICO violations. A significant ruling, the court further emphasized that an enterprise is operated by not just the top brass, but also by lower-level participants. Setting precedent, the court ruled that the RICO law encapsulates scenarios where an employee-turned-owner conducts the corporation's affairs illegally, irrespective of whether the action is within or beyond their corporate authority. An essential decision in corporate law, the Supreme Court's verdict established that the employee's deeds, although under the corporation's veil, stand separate from the corporation itself. Despite the corporation being free from liability under RICO for crimes committed by employees, the employees themselves cannot escape liability. Interestingly, the Supreme Court underpinned that this ruling complemented the intra-corporate conspiracy doctrine of antitrust law, thereby ensuring a cohesive interpretation of laws governing corporate liability. Upon this ruling, the case was sent back for further legal action, the narrative set for an engaging continuation of a battle against organized crime's influence on businesses.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.